Okay, buddy. Very slow. Let's not die. Oh, good boy. I know, I don't think this is a good idea either, but we're going to do it. Oh boy. Alright, I'm sorry, I know, I keep pulling back. Dude. If you think we can go, let's go. If not, I'm gonna get off. Alright, I promise I won't pull back on you. Come on. That's not a very good promise. Yeah, you're right.